everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today, I'm going to be sharing with you a drugstore college/office makeup kit. So I'm going to be sharing with you the best drugstore products available in the market. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So basically this is my pouch which I keep in my room. You all know I film in my studio which is in my basement, so I cannot take all my makeup rows up upar niche, so I just keep my basic and most essential makeup products in this pack. So the first product is basically a skincare product. So after I apply my moisturizer, I always end up using this Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss Serum. So this is the product. Why the serum? Because this just gives my skin that glossy texture. And even if I don't want to put a lot of product like a lot of BB cream or foundation or stuff, this just makes my skin look so healthy and so dewy. So this is the first product. It's a bit expensive, like it's 4,000 rupees. I really rely on this serum. And also this product is sort of a dupe of the Farsali oil, but Farsali's oil is way too expensive. So this is a really good dupe of it. So I really love using this product. So I am not a person who puts foundation on a regular basis. I only rely on a BB cream or concealer. So for a BB cream, I only rely on this one. This is the Pond's BB cream. This cream has a really thick texture, so it's really good to hide your dark spots and conceal your face. So it's a really good and affordable option. I think this one retails for 200 rupees, I believe, just for a very long time. Also, it's SPF 30 PA+++, so it's a really nice product. Another product, or I would say a concealer that I end up using is this. This is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and this one retails for 199 rupees. But recently I checked on Nykaa and इसका price 230 हो चुका है, I guess 220 or 230. प्राइस हाई हो गया बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा लोग इसे परचेज कर रहे हैं, सो नायका ने इसका रेट बढ़ा दिया. वेरी गुड. सो या this is the concealer. It's a very nice and a very good coverage concealer for an everyday basis. So again, it's super affordable. So if you're a beginner and if you're looking for a good BB cream, you can definitely try the Pond's BB cream. And if you're looking for a good concealer which is also affordable, which has a good coverage, this is the product. Next comes compact, and I can't live without a compact. I love this compact. This is by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Pressed Powder. This is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. If you're looking for a good compact with a good coverage, this is the product. This has a very good coverage, and also it lasts for a very long time. It also comes with a mirror, so you can always keep it with you. And you can clearly see how much I've used this product. So in all, if you're looking for a good affordable compact, this is the product. And this one again retails for 400 rupees, I believe. So I don't carry any blush on a regular basis. I am a tint lover. So I carry this Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek tint. This is in the shade Cherry. This is a really nice tint. You have seen my recent video and I've used this tint only. You can see it's very pretty. So for an everyday basis, tint is your best friend. You can apply it on your eyes, you can apply it on your cheeks, on your lips, and you're good to go. And always have a good tint. Earth Rhythm ka lip and cheek tint bhi bahut acha hai, so you can definitely try that. So for a normal or regular basis, I do not apply kajal. But if you want a good kajal, you can definitely try the Lakme Iconic Kajal. Want a suggestion? Lakme Iconic Kajal is really too good. It's affordable and it's pretty long lasting at the same time. So this is the product. So I have like small eyes. Some days to open up my eyes, I do use the Flicka White Kajal pencil because it's very pigmented white pencil. It's like one of the most pigmented white pencils I've ever tried. So I do use this sometimes. So if you want a good eye pencil, so these two are the product. And the one mascara that I'm going to recommend is this. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is one of the best mascara I've ever tried. This one retails for 700 rupees, I believe 799. But you can always get it for 500 rupees because this product is always on 200-300% off on Nykaa, on every sale. So you can definitely buy it when it's on sale. If you don't want to buy this and you still want a good an affordable mascara. You can try any Maybelline mascara. The Lash Sensational mascara is the best. So yeah, next and another good and a classic product is this. This is a Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. So you can see how much I've used this. On some days, if I don't want to do any eye makeup, I still do my brows because I like my brows to be in shape. So this is a really affordable and really good option for a beginner. This product retails for 75 rupees, I believe, or 80 rupees. Another eyebrow pencil that I truly love is this. This is the Swiss Beauty. This is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil, and this is in the shade dark grey. Both of these pencils are really good. They are not that creamy, so it's perfect to shapen your brows and also to fill in all the gaps. So yeah, these are the two eyebrow pencils that I recommend. The last product, favorite step in my makeup routine is lipstick. So for my lips, I have like quite few products that I really love and enjoy. So first is this lipstick. This is the Maybelline Nude Nuance lipstick. This one retails for 299 rupees, and you can see I've used it a lot. So this is the lipstick. So you can see it's not a perfect brown nude. It's more of a mauvish brownish nude, which I totally love and I totally recommend. This lipstick lasts for a decent time, 2 to 3 hours, and you can always retouch your lipstick. It's not even drying on your lips because it's creamy matte. The lipstick, and one of my recent obsession is this. This is by Nicka K. This is in the shade Turkish Rose. This one originally retails for, I believe, 300 or 400, but you can always get this lipstick for 200 because in Nykaa पे हमेशा 50% off पे होती है. So this is the lipstick. So you can see it's a very beautiful rusky rose sort of a color. It's a very close dupe of the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose, but that lipstick is for 500 rupees. So this one is even more affordable. So I really love this lipstick. It's again comfortable but a bit drying. Moisturize your lips before applying this one. Other than that, it's a very good pinkish nude everyday sort of lipstick that are gonna last for easily 4 to 5 hours. Another lipstick that I love using is this. This is by Inside Cosmetics. This is in the shade 01 Joyful, and let me swatch it. So this is the lipstick. You can clearly say it's more of a brownish orangish color. So it's a really good nude shade for an everyday basis. These three lipstick will gonna complement all skin tones, so don't worry about that shade. And on some days I don't even apply a lipstick. I generally use this lip tint only, or I use my Maybelline lip balm. I've shared that lip balm in many of my videos. It's in my bag. That's all you need on a regular basis. Just a lip balm or a lipstick, a good lash mascara, a good eyebrow pencil, some basic base product, and a good serum, and you're good to go. So yeah, that's all for today. These are the products that I love and I wanted to recommend to you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.